across the British Isles over the course of the next 24 hours. Met Office warnings, in fact, still for particularly the southern counties of England, and later on, bear it in mind for the far northeast of the British Isles as well. Speckles of cloud. It's the cold Arctic air working in, meeting some slightly warmer air, and certainly the snow bubbling up across the southern counties. Here it could work its way in with a few centimetres across the southern counties, maybe even more, but it's perilously close. Something to bear in mind if you're travelling for the afternoon. Further north too, much of the southeast, mainly dry, a few snow showers working in, but easing back for a time, and to parts of eastern Scotland we'll see a few of these showers, but the haze blue is a cold, frosty looking day. Some spots, if you get above freezing, you are doing well. To Northern Ireland there'll be a few showers, not as many, towards the far south and east as we finish off the afternoon. And to parts of Wales, that haze blue is a cold, frosty day. What a few snow showers we've had tending to ease away, similar as well to parts of southwest England, just maybe one or two. So for football fans, it's probably the extra layer, certainly, if you're going to be at Aston Villa. Also in Manchester as well for these matches, barely above freezing. You should be mainly dry, and of course, all the coverage is on the BBC. And for racing fans at Newbury, it should be about 1-2 degrees for the Winter Festival, the final day there. And rugby fans, you know as well what is going on. It'll be quite busy as you go through the course of the next few hours, from England towards Scotland and Wales playing New Zealand. For these matches, the temperatures as well should be 1-2 degrees, staying mainly dry. The coverage for these, of course, on the BBC. As you go through the night, something to bear in mind. Met Office warning for some very heavy, significant snow from northeast parts of England through eastern Scotland. 5 to 15 centimetres, maybe 25, and that is the lower level. So bear that in mind as a flow works its way in. Elsewhere, cold, frosty, and where you've had some wet weather, maybe some icy spots too. Nothing like that in Brisbane, but there could be the odd shower for the Ashes continuing through the course of Sunday. Coverage for this on the BBC. Now, Sunday, notice this area of white. Could be something to bear in mind. You are travelling Sunday morning, northeast England, eastern Scotland. Watch for it, plan ahead. There could be significant snow from this as it eases its way in, continuing through the day. Elsewhere, it's cold, it's frosty, but otherwise brighter skies 2 to 4. And into the afternoon, if we see some snow, certainly they're still with us, in fact, for Newcastle. Shouldn't be too bad to Tottenham for that as well.